What's the problem, William?
It doesn't fit. Doesn't.
Are we gonna make it?
You're not gonna make it. Well, Mom, Dad, if you see this video, I didn't make it. I didn't make it. See how fast we're going. I'm not going fast enough for increase our speed. I have to do that. I don't want to fucking pay this fucking.
We were taking
I'm
break.
not gonna pay it, but I don't want my parents to get pissed off at me and then force me to pay for my
Funeral.
trip back.
How does it feel to walk in snow in July? How come? Throw that to Willie. Close enough. And me? No, that's too close range. What's up?
My hands are fucking freezing off.
Where are we?
Yeah, I'm 4 kilometers.
Yeah, something about that.
Started like at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, so we've been out for more than 8 hours.
Yeah, it's like 10:30 now.
Yeah, something. Yeah, exactly.
Like camp. Yeah, it's like 10:30 now. Yep.
So this is our tent. And we tried to find a kind of safe spot.
Was it the road? The road is all the way over this rock over
Yeah.
a little bit down.
And our goal was to take us to this lake.
Fence over there? Like past the fence?
Yeah, or something like to the lake at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not for that shit now.
Now it's my turn, I think. I holding the camera while doing this. Alright. Oh my fuck! This is not good. Oh my. Oh. Alright, my shoes are fucking wet now. So what's up?
I don't know. Climbing hills.
Oh, when will we reach the top? Never.
Never reaching the top.
Nope. What about you, Ole? Do you have any hope for the top?
Reach for the top, man. It never ends. Certain.
And now we're going to the right in that valley. You looking forward to that climb? Why not?
We gotta do it.
Yep. So I'm gonna try to go through the river up ahead instead of the bridge. Wish me luck. Maybe we should go further up ahead. Okay, so this is the spot where I'll try to come over. Looks pretty deep. Yep, wasn't that hard.